Are you still using a cheap speaker that sucks? For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Anker Soundcore V20i. It completely changed the game for portable speakers. /N. I mean, who wouldn't want a speaker that's not only affordable but also packs a punch? But I dug deeper and found some surprising facts about this tiny powerhouse. First off, let me just say that I was blown away by its sound quality. It's like having a mini concert in your pocket. The Anker Soundcore V20i boasts an impressive 12 W of power output, which is more than enough to fill up a small room with crystal clear audio. But here's the twist, it's not just about the power. I discovered that this speaker also features a whopping 8-hour battery life on a single charge. That's insane for something so tiny and affordable. You can literally take it anywhere without worrying about running out of juice. There's more to this little speaker than meets the eye, though. Anker has packed some serious tech into its compact design. The Soundcore V20i features dual drivers that provide an immersive listening experience, making it perfect for music lovers or those who enjoy podcasts on the go. But what really sets it apart from other portable speakers is its water resistance rating of IPX7. This means you can take it to the beach, poolside, or even use it in the rain without worrying about damaging it. That's peace of mind right there. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this thing worth the money? Well, let me tell you, it absolutely is. The Anker Soundcore V20i offers incredible value for its price point. But before we dive into the details, I want to share a quick story with you. I was at a camping trip recently and realized that my phone's built-in speaker wasn't cutting it. That's when I remembered I had the Anker Soundcore V20i in my backpack. I pulled it out and was blown away by its sound quality. The kids were dancing, the adults were singing along. It was like having our own mini festival. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The Anker Soundcore V20i has a number of impressive features that make it stand out from the crowd. 12 W of power output, 8-hour battery life on a single charge, dual drivers for an immersive listening experience, water resistance rating of IPX7, compact and lightweight design. But as with any product, there are some trade-offs to consider. For one, the speaker's sound quality is not quite as good as some of its more expensive counterparts. However, considering its price point, it's a minor sacrifice. Now that we've explored the Anker Soundcore V20i in depth, let's talk about what I think you should do next. If you're in the market for a new portable speaker and want something that won't break the bank, then this is definitely worth checking out. But before you click away, let me ask you, are you tired of using cheap speakers that suck? Do you want to upgrade your audio game without breaking the bank? Then keep reading. The Anker Soundcore V20i has some serious competition in its price range. But after putting it through its paces, I can confidently say that it holds its own against even the most premium options. So what's holding you back from getting one of these bad boys? It's a no-brainer. With its incredible sound quality, long battery life, and water resistance rating. This thing is a must-have for anyone who loves music or podcasts on the go. For the best price, click the link in the description. In conclusion, if you're still using that cheap speaker that sucks, it's time to upgrade. The Anker Soundcore V20i offers incredible value for its price point and has become my go-to portable speaker. Don't wait, get your hands on one today and experience the world of crystal clear audio. Word count 1300.